what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go through some of these cabinets. As a person owning their own business, I do keep some inventory because certain things, when they're gone, they're gone. And our specialty items, like our little quarterly things and stuff like that, they will go very fast. So if my customers aren't, like, you know, quick and on the ball and order it from the website, sometimes they can go to order it and it's not there. So each one of these containers has some specialties. So this is lipsticks, kits, the oils, the liners, and the stay-on lipstick, which was a really, really good item. I just wanted to go through and show what we got. So this one here is one of the lip kit ensembles. It's a nude, and there are 2 items in it. It has the liner, and it has the lipstick, and these are beautiful colors. They are a nude, so I find that with a little, maybe with a clear lip gloss over top of it, it just makes it that much pizzazier. So this is our lip kit, and I have a couple of these. Some of them are the nude, and the other ones are the pink. And so I've got like five of these, 5 of the nude, and I probably have more of the pink because I love the pink. So I'm discounting all of these. These are going on a discount, and these are called the Lip Kit Ensemble, and they're item number 172051. The next set is Matte and Shine Lip Set. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. So it has a beautiful lipstick, okay, and then it has a shine. Now this shine I wear all the time. I actually put it on this pink color that I used, or that I put on a little bit ago, just because it gives me a nice little shine. And then this is I think this is the cinnamon. So this is the cinnamon. It's a beautiful color. It's a beautiful color. So you can either wear it matte, because it will dry. It's a liquid, but it dries matte. Or you can add the lip shine to it, and it just makes it a really nice glossy color. So let me see what all there was actually 3 colors, if I remember right. The pink rose is what I have on right now, and that number is 172052. If you're interested in them, send me messages and I will give them. I've got these marked down a good percentage. There's a good percentage on these. Okay, so this is the cinnamon, and this is called rose pink, and this is the one. This is a beautiful color too. It's a nice, beautiful color. This one I wear a lot. Like I said, I wear the oils all the time. So that's the cinnamon and the rose. So those 2, cinnamon and rose pink. Then we have the Ultra Stay Lip Lacquer. Okay, these are 3 parts. They will stay on all day long. They are lovely colors. So this one is the red. It's a very vibrant red. It's called cherry, so it says itself. So you actually put the lip liner or put the lipstick on, and give your lips a little bit of time. Give the color a little bit of time to dry, maybe 30 seconds. And then you can wear it that way, or you can put the clear over top of it. And then when you go to take it off, if you don't have our oil-free makeup and lip remover, or eye and lip remover, then they put the remover in the container for you. And that is our cherry. And there are 3 colors for this too. There's a plum, and it's a beautiful color. And there's a rose. So there's a cherry, a plum, and a rose. I actually found that the plum was beautiful, and it's not a color that I would normally wear, because I love pink. I love all the pinks, the brighter pinks and the duller pinks. I just love the pinks. So then we have our Mary Kay at Play. And these were a little set of 2. We have our Berry Strong and our Red Alert, and our Red Envy and our Taupe. And these 2 colors here are beautiful little colors. There's 2 in each container. So one is 169145 and 169146. And I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these. These are minis, they're matte, they're a liquid, and they're a lip color. And it's a set. That is lip colors. I would say I'm decluttering, but in a way, it's not really clutter. Okay. So this box here has little, these were for Christmas. These were Christmas sets. And they're perfect for gifts. Now, I take these and give them away for shower gifts. You know, like what I do is I'll take a basket for wedding, baby, all this, you know, because the mom needs a gift too, as well as the bride, right? And so I will get a nice little basket. I will put like tissue paper. I have shred. And then I'll just take and I'll go and put the little sets. Now this is a little gift set. This is coconut mousse. We have berry parfait, and we have citrus sorbet, and then of course these are really good for baskets. Really, really good for baskets. These are some little mini hand creams and a lip balm. So if you've ever used our satin lips, this is the balm, and they just have a little bit of a fragrance in it. And this one here is the citrus sorbet. And it's a little hand cream, and it's got the lip balm in it. So this is the packaged sorbet. This one is berry parfait, and this one is coconut mousse. Now, what I do is I take a basket, I put a little tissue paper in there, and then I put some shred, and I'll take these out of the containers, and I'll put them in for mom to bees, for brides to bees, for birthdays, my nieces, mother-in-laws, all that kind of thing. The other item that you can put in your basket is the pedicure set. We get these pedicure sets every spring, so I just want to clear the lines out. I think I have 4 of these, and then I have 4 of a set from the year before, and they're rosemary, and they smell phenomenal. So the first thing you would do, and I keep this in my shower, is this is the scrub. I keep this and the pumice stone in my shower. I get in the shower, my body gets wet, I take about the size of a nickel and I rub it all over the bottom of each foot. And then I take the scrub, the little pumice stone, and I scrub my bottom of my feet, and then I wash them all off, get out of the shower, and at nighttime I will put the foot mask on. It is the most smoothest, clean little mask that you have, and I don't know, it's just a really fresh, clean smell. So I'll put this on my feet and I'll go to bed. And my feet really soft in the morning. So there's probably 5 or 6 of these, and then the rosemary ones. So either one of them. This number on here, just call it the pedicure set. And either write down purple or write down green, because the other one is green. That's rosemary. Every year from April till May, usually the whole month of May, they will put something specific for the birthday of our founder. And this year, because it was our 60th year, in May, they had these beautiful little lipsticks. And they're shaped like a heart. So as you can see, they're shaped just like a heart. And so one color, this color is pink, and this one is Natural Confidence. And this one is just very, very natural color. It's a beautiful color. So these two, and they pop up using the bottom. So these two are here. I have a few of these because I will turn around and give these as gifts also. But these, so all of these items that I'm showing you, if you go onto my website, you're not going to find them. But if you send me a message, whether it's email or DM me or make a comment in there of colors and things that you'd like to know more of, I will let you know. I will give you full price, and then I'll give you the discounted price. Of course, we always have our Fanorama mascara. Absolutely love the Fanorama mascara. It's a Lash Love product. It has a phenomenal brush on it, and I just have an abundance of them. No reason in particular, but I'll put these in there. It's black. It's got all of the vitamins and nutrients in this one as it does in the other mascaras that we have. Sparkle eye. These are liquid eye colors, okay? They're liquid. I wear these. You'll see me do them in my videos. If you look in there for my videos, you'll see them. So we have the amethyst, the graphite. That's kind of a gray. It's like a gray black. And then the sapphire. And the sapphire is beautiful. The graphite is pretty too. I had them on in a video I just did maybe in November. And I was wearing them. And they had, I'll make sure that I put it, I show them in the video. But I know that I talk about them because they're quarterly products. So the other thing that's in here is the sandstone lipstick. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I still wear this all the time. This one is sandstone. I would say it's in the mixture, kind of like it's got like a bronzy kind of neutral look. It's a beautiful color. I forgot these were down here. I could have put some of these in my purse when I was traveling. This is the ruby red. This one is very pretty. These are good for Christmas time. But not just Christmas, like parties, you know. This would have been, I should have did this look. I should do this look for New Year's, but now New Year's is over. And we had some nail polish. So that is that. These are some things that I would love to promote more. I didn't do very good at promoting our berry and our vanilla. These are scented shower gels and lotions, body lotions. So when you get out of the shower, you can put on a body lotion. And they were berry vanilla and apple almond. This is the most beautiful smell for the fall, is the apple almond. The berry vanilla, you can wear that anytime. But you know, if you're like me and you like the fall times, then you will love wearing the apple almond because you just smell like fall. Like we're getting ready for the fall time. And those are in here. These are a lot of this stuff is quarterly, like I said. And it's really only from the past 2 years because I normally do really well at not over purchasing products. This, of course, is our clinical solutions, which are each little individual boosters. And those, if you have never tried any of the clinical solutions, ask me and we will deal with that later. So these are our Vinyl Shine liquid lip set, and there are 2 in here. Nice squeezable little tubes. They go on really creamy, really smooth. They're fabulous. These 2 here are the Glowing Neutral and the Brilliant Brown. And then there is also Luminous Red and the Vivid Berry. I wear the Vivid Berry a lot. I wear the red. I wore the red at Christmas time when we were out and about in Texas area. They're 2 beautiful colors. They go on creamy, they stay shine, they just look fabulous, and they wear really well. This one is 190604, and this one is 190603. And then, and I wasn't really going to do anything with these. These are some little pellets we have. These actually have been around a little bit. These were really, really popular. They have some beautiful shades in them. You can see the gold, the deeper gold with the silver. It's kind of a gray, a very beautiful pink or blue. And then this is a midnight blue. I don't think they give you the colors on them. I actually just used this palette in my video. One of my videos here, the 1st of December, I wore it. I like to wear these 3 colors together. This one, the lighter one, and the darker one. I like to wear those together a lot. I think I only have 1 of these left, maybe 2. And then we have a couple of the Sheer Dimension powders. They're highlighters. This one is lace. These are beautiful. This one's lace. There is a pearl. There's actually 2 pearls. These are a little bit lighter. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So there's 2 of these. Great, great, great discount just to get them out of my inventory, basically. Then of course we have our silky oil. It's a silky and dry oil, and it has the most fresh smell. It just smells like a clean ocean breeze. and a little bit goes a long way. I literally have still probably got half a bottle left. I use it a lot in the winter because my skin will dry out, and it helps tremendously. So there's 6 of those. Then of course we have some of our 7. Then of course we have some of our classic spritzers, our beautiful little trays for the brushes. Hold your brushes, put your brushes in here. I love this. You'll see it on my desk or on my table upstairs, and you can use it for anything. Just I stand them all up. They're great when you're going to dry them. There's 6 of them. And then of course we're back to our little mini hand creams. They always do. This was spring, and these little mini hand creams, there's 3 of them in here. There's 3. There's Citrus Fields, there's Pink Freesia, and there's Peach Gardenia. I think I only have 5 of them, so they'll go really quick. And all of these are marked way down. My little dog, you hear him? He's upstairs. He's very upset because his daddy just came home and did not let him go out. These are little mini masking sets, and I kind of wasn't going to put these in here because they always are good. They're good for any time of the year. This is our charcoal mask and our moisture renewal gel mask. These 2 items are one of our top selling masks. They're made for anybody's skin, whether you're combination, oily, dry. They will hydrate, they will clean your pores out. They're just fabulous. And then we have the body care that goes with this spray. It's the Sparkling Cherry Body Lotion and the Mousse Lotion. It's a little fragrance mist and a mousse lotion, and you'll love it. And that is what I've got here today. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed this tour around the house, and most of all, the goodie package. And I would rather you enjoy them than them sitting here on my shelf. So send me a message, comment right in there, sale 2024, and let me know whatever items you're looking for, and I will give you a very good price on them. And until then, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and always hit that bell, and you'll get all notifications. You're going to see a new year for me. I'm going to make sure that you're getting videos of a few different things: business, beauty, and my lifestyle. And you heard my little doggy up there. He was barking because he was mad at his daddy, but hey, that's all good. Tomorrow, grab your makeup bag, and we will get ready together. So you have a fabulous day, and we'll see you on the flip side. This is Kim Brown, your girl.